what's up there? I'm going to be talking about how I made this and what sole I'm going to choose for it. Let's see. So what I got here is a Jordan 1 Travis Scott without the sole. Handmade, hand stitched. Materials that I used a patent leather that I really like. It's kind of like an olive green. Python snakeskin for the Nike swooshes, as well as a back tab, and then I used an orange suede for the inside. Super soft. I really like it. It feels very high quality, but this is pretty much what it looks like before the sole. It's all flat and everything. It doesn't really have much shape yet, but I mean, that's what it looks like. I gotta punch out the holes still. Still gotta punch out the holes so the laces go in. I think I'm gonna use leather laces. That's what I'm deciding on. And for the soles, the final decision that everyone's been asking me, what am I gonna go with? I'm gonna go with the vanilla and the black top one, the original Travis Scott shoe. So I'm gonna go with, as you can see, this one is from a low top Air Jordan. As you can see, it was yellow before, and I just painted it black for the time being, just to see what it looks like and to mock it up. But I'll be going to get some normal vanilla and black soles, so I don't have to worry about the paint chipping off. But yeah, I'm gonna go with this. I like these. I just didn't really think that they really fit well with the upper. I would have dyed the ice a different color, maybe green or black, but I would have done like a see-through, so it still had that icy look, like a green ice or like a black see-through. But I think I'm just gonna save these for another pair. I have rabbit fur pair. Let me bring that out. So I got this. This is about to be a Jordan soon, but I'll show that in another episode. But I think I'm going to use that for these soles for the next build. But for now, this is what we got. So we got the vanilla sole, and if you look at it, kind of gives you a brief look at what it will look like. You know, nothing too much right there. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna be posting more TikToks, so just stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions about customs or anything, just DM me on Instagram or email. Message me what colors I should do next. I'm not sure what which ones I want to do next. I got some ideas, but you know, everybody has some crazy ideas, so just let me know what you think. But thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. I appreciate all the love, and let's just keep on growing the YouTube channel. Appreciate it. Thank you.